Okay, in our exercise 2, so we'll discuss that exercise. Now in our exercise 2, now I'm going to start. So in that exercise number 2, so 1.2 it is. So in that first one, once you see that in first one is, so 9 by 7, represent these numbers on the number line. So 9 by 7 I'm going to represent on a number line, right? So I want to represent, first of all, before going to represent, first of all I want to draw one straight line. So it is a straight line. If we are right to just say that. So what does that mean? It is a by 7 will be there. First of all you write this is a 0 to 11. Okay, so this is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and moreover 11. Okay, so more than so 9 I just written. Everything you just divided by 7. All numbers you just better to write divided by 7. Every number you just write divided by 7. And by 5 also divided by 7. Sorry. Here also 7. 7 and 7 here. 7 and 7, last one also 7. Okay, so where is the 9 by 7? It will be, so I want to use a pencil. In your book you can do it. So I'm going to identify the 9 by 7 on a number line. So this is the first one in the first question, in the first one, in the first bit and first one. In that first question only, so we have the second one also present. So identify that minus 7 by 5. So minus 7 by 5 I am showing on a number line. So for that I am going to draw one horizontal line. So I am drawing a big number line. Now listen, so minus 7, minus values you can underline it. So do one thing, you start from here, 0, left side you can write. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Okay, so each and every number you divide it with 5. 5, 5. Okay, so each and everything, once you see that minus 7 by 5, I am just identifying here on a number line. Okay, so this is a first question what we identified in a number line. Okay, now so go to the second question. Once you see that second question, in the second question I represent minus 2 by 13, 5 by, question I am writing, minus 2 by 13 and 5 by 13, next 9, minus 9 by 13 on the number line. This is all we should identify on a number line. So divide by 13 is a common for everything, right? So that's why, so minus 9 and 5 and minus 2. So everything we can write it. So that's why you start from the minus 9 to 5 number. It's somewhat better. 5 or 6 you can write it. So for that I am going to keep a big line. Again horizontal line I am keeping. So keep a bigger line. So it is a horizontal line. You just identify that horizontal line. Start from the -9. Okay. So around 5 or 6 you can write it. -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here I write it 4, and I want to extend this line. This is a fifth one. Okay. So every number you can divide it by with 30. So here there is a bigger number. First of all, I am going to identify that there is a 5 by 13. Okay, and 9 by 13 also I am identifying on a number line. Then middle one is -2 by 13. Next I am identifying that -2 by 13 on a number line. Okay now. So this is the second question. When we go for the third question, so third question I am going to repeat it. So third question I am writing on screen. So what is the third question? Write 5 rational numbers smaller than 5 by 6. So you can write there is a 5 by 6. So smaller than 5 by 6, write any 5 rational numbers, right? So for that you can just keep a number line. So I want to keep a number line. So straight line I am drawing. In that straight line you just identify that so divide by 6 is a common for this. So that's why you can write there is a -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Okay, 4 and 5 also you can take. 5 you can take 6 also. So every number you can just divide by 6. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. Okay. So here once you see from this what we 5 digits. So first one 1, 2, 3, 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So don't count from this one. You can count from here. So you can just go for this. Just go for it and just identify here. You can identify like this. So what does that means? 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. So fifth one. So can you write there is an answer? So 0 by 6 or 0, what it may be. 0, comma, 1 by 6, comma, so 2 by 6, comma, 3 by 6, comma, 4 by 6. These are the 5 rational numbers below the 5 by 6. Okay now. And next one, we go for the fourth question. Now the fourth question. In that fourth question, find 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. So -1 and 2. In between these two, so you can find out the 12 rational numbers. Okay. So first of all, I want to identify that. Okay. So in this, so 12 rational numbers. Now we can identify that. So -4, I am writing -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, in between that -1 to 2. So how many are there? We can write it. So 12 we need to write first of all. So 12 means we are writing minus 0.9, minus 0.8, minus 0.7. Okay. Then 0. Okay. 0.6, minus 0.6. So minus 0.5, minus 0.4, sorry, yes, 4 only, minus 0.3, minus 0.2, comma, minus 0.1, comma. So 0, 0.1, 0.2. So these are the between the -1 and 2. So 12 rational numbers. Okay now. So we'll go for the fifth question. Fifth question now. In the fifth question, find a rational number between 2/3 and 3/4. So you have to write that is a 2/3 and 3/4. So in between these two numbers, we can write the rational numbers. How to write the rational numbers? First of all, you can divide with any numbers. Now 2/3 I am going to multiply with a 4/4. So you can see that 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Okay. So then 3/4. So in between the 3/4 I am going to multiply with the 2/2, for example. Okay. So what is that? Sorry, 3/3. 3/3 I am going to multiply. So 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Okay. So again 8/12 is there, na? 8/12 is multiplied with 2/2. So then that is a 16/24. Now answer is okay. And one more number 9/12 is there, na? 9/12 is multiplied with 3/3. So 18/24. Now rational number is, what is the rational number? 2/3 and 3/4. In between the find the rational number I want to find out. Okay. So what is that number? And that is the rational number is 2/3 17 by 24. Yes or no? Because 16 by 24 this is, and 18 by 24 is it. Between these two, what is the number? This is 17 by 24 is the answer for that. Okay. Now we go for the next question. So sixth question. Find 10 rational numbers between the minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Okay. So how many? It's a 10 rational numbers, right? Minus 3 by 4 is equals to minus 3 by 4 into 6 by 6. Okay, so minus 18 by 24. Then next 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 into 4 by 4, you can do it. 20 by 24. 20 by 24. Then 10 rational numbers, we can write it. So what is the 10 rational numbers? Minus 17 by 24, comma, minus 16 by 24, comma, minus 15 by 24, comma, minus 14 by 24, comma, minus 13 by 24, next minus 12 by 24, comma, minus 11 by 24, minus 10 by 24, minus 9 by 24, minus 8 by 24. So these are all 10 rational numbers. Once you count that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the down is also 5 total. So 10 rational numbers will be done. So this is the exercise number 1.2. So in next exercise we will discuss.